So we have the National Weather Service updates for my storms. There's level 3 severe storms that are supposed to be last night for the Twin Cities. Twin Cities, Chanhassen Weather Service. It was the Twin Cities, Chanhassen, Minnesota National Weather Service. It's in Chanhassen, Minnesota, but it's in yeah, we have. Alright, so we have special weather statements today. And we had at 4:25 a.m. It was for Fairborn and Freeborn counties of 5. It was at 4:25 a.m. It was Winnebago, Glenville, northeast. It was 18 miles northeast, Winnebago to over Glenville, or 18 miles northeast of Fairmont to 9 miles southeast of Liberty, north at 30 miles or 4. 30 miles under Penny says here. At 4:58 a.m. is from Waseca and Steele to 6 a.m. It was near Waldorf to 10 miles southeast of Bloom Prairie, extending 19 miles southeast of Mankato to 24 miles east of Alberley, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. And then we have 40 miles near Pea-Size Hill. And the big cities are Owatonna and Waseca. Then at 5:45 a.m., it's for Blue Earth, Rice, Goodhue, Eastern Nicollet, Dakota, Southeastern Sibley, Seward, Skies. Move into like the Twin Cities Metro, which is Rice, Goodhue, Nicollet, Dakota, and Sibley. And we have it's strong thunderstorms at 5 miles west of 11 miles southeast Penn, and arc saying 9 miles northwest of Minko, 30 miles south of Redmond, moving north at 30 miles or 40 miles in pieces. And then that's from 5:45 to 6:45 because I moved farther northeastern north. I think faster, or is another cell. And there's a storm cell from Freeborn, Waseca and Steele to 8:30. Northeastern Freeborn, Waseca and Steele to 8:30 p.m. Central Time. From 7:33 to 8:30, and it's near Wells, 8 miles south of Glenville, or 20 miles northwest of Albert Lee, and 14 miles south of Albert Lee. Moving northeast at 50 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour in up Peninsula. And it's Albert Lee. And then we have a storm. The severe thunderstorm. 6:51 to 6:51 p.m. to 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. It's for Blue Earth, Brown, Faribault, Freeborn, Leesure, Marne, Nicollet, Rice, Steele, Waseca, Wautuan, in southern Minnesota. And the main Twin Cities Metro is not impacted, but Rice is in the Twin Cities. Nicollet and Rice are in the Twin Cities, or Chanhassen, Minnesota National Weather Service transmitter. So is Goodhue, and they had their own transmitter for that area, but they discontinued that pretty much. And they have one for Chippewa is in Chippewa, Eau Claire, and Dunn, and then Pepin is in the Eau Claire transmitter, which is like Eau Claire transmitter, which is the Menominee, like transmitter, and then Pierce is in the Menominee and Twin Cities, Minnesota transmitter. So we have, and then we have one. And then we have storm update from southeastern Blue Earth, southern northwestern Waseca, south central Minnesota, to 8:25 to 9 p.m. 8:25 p.m. is located near Eagle Lake. Near Mankio, moving northeast of Rosa to 9 p.m. Central Time. It's for Courses Hill. It's Mankio and North Mankio. The center, Eagle Lake, Waterville, Mass Lake, Sinclair, Asia, Cleveland, Skyline, Lake Jefferson, Green, Smithsville, Mankio, Airport, and St. Henry. And then we have the special weather statement. Get up to 8:37 a.m. Central Time. Is for northeastern Blue Earth, southerly Seward, and northwestern Waseca counties. And 837 is located where Eagle Lake, Mass, Mankio, Greenland, North Mankio. When northeast of 3 of course, so. And it's for also Waterville, St. Clair, Asian, Cleveland, Sky, Lake Jefferson, Smithsville, Mankato Airport, obviously Mankio, to me, Mankato Airport, and St. Henry. And then it was canceled as a core size hail, weakened below severe limits, and did not weaken. It really weakened. It did not weaken into. It really just fizzled out completely. Didn't even go to a special weather statement category. And then it canceled for Brown, Lee Seward, and Nicollet. It's for the cities of Lee Seward, Newell, and St. Peter. And it's still valid to 434 1 a.m. Central Thursday for the following days. South Central Minnesota Blue Earth, Faribault, Freeborn, Merton Race, Seal, Waseca, Watuan, and it's southeast Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin, Chippewa, Dunn, Eau Claire, Pepin, Pierce. It's for cities Alberley, Blue Earth, Chippewa Falls, Durand, Eau Claire, Fairmont, Faribault, Mankio, Menominee, Otana, River Falls, St. James, and Waseca. And then we have one for Chinsmer. That's not near me. It's across Chinsmer. And we have a special weather statement today, or some this morning at 8:21. So eastern Howard, northern northeastern Chickasaw, and southeastern former Minnesota. And it's for parts of Wisconsin, southeastern part of Minnesota, like the northeastern part of Iowa, and then you have like the southwestern Wisconsin into like some parts of like south central and central Wisconsin. And it's for near Lime Springs, near Cresco, near Jericho, when northeast of 50 miles are. It's Cresco and Providence, around 8:25 a.m. Harmony and Ridgeway, 8:30, Canton, 8:35. It's for Ronan Strings, Choice, Ronan Strings, Hesper, Ronan V15, 8:46. Upton, Lucas, David Square, Clearance, W14, E34, Ronan 20, W20, E34, S20, E30. Whatever that means. And Samaki, Winnebago, Houston, Fillmore. That's for 50 miles gust of pace to you're in the running river near the core. Northeast around 50 miles. Some around about 850. Cody in Houston was around 9. Then at 722 was for northeast northern Mitchell, northwestern Howard, and southeastern Rockaway Street. 722 is overseas to 10 miles north Osage. Race to 3 miles on Peninsula. 0 and 73 miles central. And it's around mainly rural areas outside of the riots. There's some, but it's mainly rural areas like Lake Louise State Park, Meyer, Mitchell, Roads 403, Brownbrook, Roads T54 and E31, Near State Park, McIntyre, Highway 218, 220, T40, and Little Cedar. So it's a lot of rural areas. Oops. And then we have the special, we have a national weather service. It was for 6:52, and they update at 10:36 to send this north of the central Floyd, Mitchell, and northeast of Lucky, Chickasaw, Howard, Michigan, and southeast of Dodge, Fillmore, Houston, Moore, Olmsted, Michigan, unknown. Central Wisconsin, West Central Wisconsin, South Wisconsin, Vernon, Western Wisconsin, Buffalo, Jackson, across Monroe, Trump, Bellow. And then it was included for Adams, Juneau, and Central Wisconsin, Crawford, and Richland, and Southwest Wisconsin. And you have some special weathers. Some serious thunderstorms is for Juneau, northwestern Vernon, southeastern Monroe. It's 6 miles east of Toma to 13 miles east of Fort McQuaid, 6 miles west of Fort 50 miles are 60 miles west for Little Lips and 10:3. Very Hillsborough and Cedar on Central Roof. Weston, Delaware, runs for 1 watt, runs for 5. That's for Welcome Mountain State Park. Jersey Lake Park, Jefferson, Glendale, Triple, Lockland Corners, and Lemonor. It's 994 near 1 mile, 1, or 94 near 1 mile, 1 first. 994 between miles 46 and 86. And it's Interstate 90, Wisconsin, miles 3745. So it's not some rural areas, but not mainly rural areas. It's mainly like, people might be leaving work though at like 11 p.m. So that's another thing. And at 10:37, we have one for Juneau, northwestern Vernon. In southeastern Monroe, 10:35, it was located in Alliance and northwest New Lipson, 7 miles east of North 7 miles south from east of the Reservoir, northwest New Lipson, Orion House, around 10:40, Nick Seed, around 10:45, Austin, Monwalk, around 10:50, and Delaware, around 10:55. That's the update on that. And 10:54, yeah, so it's 11:04. So August 4, Nisida Matson, Nisa Professor, Delaware, around 11. 11:11, there's a tornado warning. There's a serious thunderstorm for June M's from 10:57 to 11:45 as 8 miles northeast in Nisida to near 1 when east for miles northwest from west and Delaware, 11, Richard M's around 11:05. It's for minor highways 13 to County Roads G and Roads G and M. That's a big string and Highway 13 County E. It's 9094 return hours 5766. In Wisconsin. And then we have tornado warning. It's Juneau M's. It's for 10:58 to 11:30. It's for tornado is near serious escape of tornado. It's near Delaware or 7 miles northeast of Weston. When east at 35 miles an hour. It has our tornado. Source radar and communication. And then it's M's around 11:05 Central Hudson. And it's Friendship around 11:10. And its tornadic thunderstorm includes Brooks, Town of Quincy, County Roads A and B, County Roads G and M, Highway 13 County, County Roads G and E and G, Buckhorn State Park. And then a severe weather statement. We have some it's at 11:11 for a tornado warning for Central Rural County is canceled. That's not in effect for 11:30 for Central. I'm just going to elevate. Okay, it's serious thunderstorm 7 south around South Central east at 3 are. And its rural areas of Central Adams County, which is Highway 13 County, Brooks, Town of Quincy, Currents, E and G, Preston, close to Grand Marsh, and Highway 20 County, which is small, really small towns. There are still have populations, but smaller towns and like county, like townships. And then 11:16, so 11:30 for Central Adams County for tornado. Severe thunderstorm skip over to tornado. Good south southeast times or east southeast for east at 19 rotations. Grand Marsh, Highway 13 County, Brooks, County Roads A and B, County Roads E and G. So it's mainly it's in Adams or near southeast Adams, southeast of French east at 3 miles. And it's Grand Marsh is the only big city. Grand Marsh and Brooks, right? It's on county roads and Highway 13 roads A B E A and B intersection E and the E and G intersections. And then we have severe thunderstorm for Juneau County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm for Juneau County is canceled. And then they moved out of the warned area. And then 11:45 for Adams County. 11:20 p.m. Central Hudson. And 11:20 p.m. Central Hudson. They relocate series from Joe Line. Some similar souls split up near Wisconsin those. Except for another, Simorless, and St. Reyes or Amscony. This was town of Quincy, who is 13 turn, near Gino, near Genum, I 13 County, near CNG, and the Preston Cliffs. Town of Quincy is like a township, and Preston Cliffs is like a landmark area. Okay. So there's a bunch of rural areas. There's a possible tornado. Tornado warning. And it's for Adams County. Yeah, it's East Central Adams County. And this is for all of Adams County. So yeah, so there is some storm warnings. Updates. Adams and Juneau in Crawford, Richmond, in that area. Right now it's Adams and Juneau. I think right now the Iowa severe thunderstorm watch, north central Iowa, northeast Iowa, and southeast Minnesota. It was pretty solidly done. And then we still have to worry about central Wisconsin, Clark, East, north central Wisconsin, maybe Taylor, and then Buffalo, Jackson, La Crosse, Monroe, Trumbull might still be intact, maybe. But a lot of it is just really it's Adams and Juneau right now in central Wisconsin. I mean they might still cancel it just in case it comes up again, but don't know though.